Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Xavier, and today in this video we will be looking at the 5 key principles of productivity. My source for this video comes from a book that I've recently read, and this book has been written by David Allen, and he talks about the specific thing which is called as a GTD method, which is nothing but getting things done. In his book, David describes having a mind like water. What this means is, if you throw a stone into water, it wrinkles. It is disturbed for a while, however, it does find its balance back. This is exactly applicable to us. If you look around in this competitive world, we have a lot of things that we need to get done at work, in our personal lives. And as humans, we have a tendency to store everything into our head. At the end, what happens is we just become, it just becomes overwhelming and we just get frustrated. Sometimes what happens is you might find that you are productive, however, you are still stressed because you are leaving some important things that also matter in your personal life. So talking about the GTD method, there are 5 key steps that actually will help you to increase your personal productivity. The first one is capture. Anything and everything that you need to get done, just start writing it down. Or in this digital world, you can use apps that are available on your phone to write it down. But everything, even if it's the smallest thing, just make sure that you write it down. The next step, which is clarify. So once you have written down everything and you have kept your mind empty without any list, so the next step is categorizing them into small buckets and clarifying how much this task will take. The next step is organize. What David says is, use this method: do it, delegate it, or defer it. Now, if there are certain tasks that can be done within 2 minutes, you rather want to just finish it off and knock it off so that it doesn't come into your list. And if you feel that there are certain people within your community or within your team that can do that particular task better than you, then you rather want to delegate it. And the third is defer it. There might be certain tasks that may not be as urgent or as important, so you can always defer it so that you can focus on the important and the urgent tasks. So whatever is left on the list, then you just go ahead and write it down in your system. The fourth step in the GTD method is reflect. In this step, what you do is you revisit your system, you track your list, and you check how many of these items have been completed. Revisiting your system just to analyze if they are working or not working is important. What David says is you can have a daily reviewing system at the end of the day just to see how many items have just been knocked off the list. Also, having a weekly review will help you just to progress. The final step in the GTD method is engage. Now that you have just a few items on your list, you just need to see when do you want to get these things done. Because there might be certain tasks which will need you to be focused and would need high energy, but there might be certain tasks which can be done within 5 minutes. For example, if you are writing a book, you would rather want to keep that activity in the morning because that's the time when you would be highly focused. But there might be certain things that just need 5 minutes. For example, answering a call or writing an email. This can be done between 2 meetings. Another example that I can give you is, let's say if you're driving past from work to home and you just have one of the items on your list to pick up groceries, so you can do that just on your way. So this is how you engage with the system. So those were the 5 key steps that actually help you to get things done. Thank you for watching patiently. If you do like the video, please hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and do share the link of this video with your friends. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, please take care and stay safe.